Welcome to the Panjultronic channel, a channel that shares knowledge about electronics. In this video, we will share how to make an LED chaser using Arduino programming and microcontrollers. Just watch the video. Let's prepare the material first, a 5mm LED, then a 220 ohm resistor. But here I use a 1000 ohm resistor because the 220 is out of stock. Next, Arduino Uno, breadboard, wire jumpers, male to male. Let's assemble the circuit. First, take the LED. The LED has two positive and negative legs. The positive leg usually has a longer leg. Here we attach the LED to the breadboard. This time I use 8 LEDs and I will install them all in order on the breadboard. Okay, after all the LEDs are installed, we continue to install the resistor on the negative leg of the LED, or the shorter leg, which is then connected to the ground as in the video. Each negative leg of the LED we connect a resistor like that. This is useful for limiting the current entering the LED so that it can prevent the LED from getting hotter or damaged. Well, after installing all the resistors, now we continue to the opposite side, namely the positive leg of the LED. We will connect the positive leg of this LED to the Arduino Uno output pin using a wire jumper. Here I use pins 2 to 9 of the Arduino Uno sequentially. This connection should not be reversed because it can also reverse the order. If so, the final step is to add a wire jumper to the output resistor leg to be connected to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno. That's more or less the circuit. Next, plug the Arduino Uno cable into a laptop or PC, and we create the code. The first step in coding, you must subscribe to Panjultronic and enter the Arduino IDE application. Then, we select the new sketch menu. First, we declare the number of LEDs we use using integer constant data. And in the next line, register the output pins used on the Arduino. Next, we enter the void setup and enter the command for the loop. Then we declare that the LED pin variable is output. Then we enter the void loop. In this section, we also enter the command to turn on the LED from left to right. Then below that, we give the command to turn on the LED through the digital write command, and don't forget to add a delay. After that, we create a similar program below to light the LED from right to left. This is useful so that the LED lights up continuously from left to right and from right to left continuously. Then we compile. Oh, there's a problem. Oh, this is missing a semicolon. Let's try compiling again. Okay, it's safe. Then we select the board and don't forget the port. Then we upload the code to the Arduino board. As you can see, the LEDs will run sequentially from left to right and from right to left continuously without stopping. Okay, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so I can continue sharing knowledge about electronics. Thank you. See you in the next video.